Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another unboxing. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, but I've got a nice big box right here to unbox. So let's go ahead and open it. And I just got it today from FedEx, and I forgot about it a little bit, but now it's here. So let me go ahead and I'll just open this up. Should be pretty easy. Just got to open up the tape here on the side. And there's a little battery, so there's something with a battery inside. So, all right, we got it open. Oh yes, yep, I know what this is. So you can see, it's kind of yellow. Let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? All right. A bunch of bubble wrap and that. We got this side out of the way. And yeah, so I got a Choice Hotel cooler. So this is from Choice Hotels, of course. It is the Summer Detour Toolkit. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So it's got nice, first it's got a nice little handle. And on top you can, it's got little things you can strap stuff down on. So let's go ahead and take a look inside, shall we? All right, so it's got hit the road and find your next detour worth taking, Choice Hotels. And there's some goodies inside, so let's take a look at some of the goodies in here. So first thing I see is this. So it is a one-night stay, 50,000 points at Choice Hotels. So that's nice. There's a code that I can scan to claim the 50,000 points. So, yeah. So, thank you, Choice Hotels. That'll come in handy. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is it's a summer detours for a road trip. So, it comes with games. So, road trip games. So, bingo, road trip bingo. So, there's a couple of those cards, and then it also comes with a couple of markers to mark the cards with. So, that's good. Let's put those to the side. Let's do this one next. So I said there was a battery thing on the box. Well, there's a reason why. There's a camera inside. So yeah, it's a little digital, I think it's a digital camera. Yeah, on-off flash. Yeah, so it's got its little camera. Camp Snap, Choice Hotel, even branded Choice Hotels on there. So pretty cool. So that has arrived. All right, let's see what else is in here. Well, let's do this right now. So there's a gift card that came with this, and it is for $75 for gas. So yeah, a nice little gift card there. So awesome. Let's see if it says what it's for. Oh, this says gift card debit. So you don't have to use it for gas. You can use it for something else. But yeah, all right, cool. That's a nice part of the prize. And I think there's more stuff inside. So let's go ahead and lift this tray up. Nice little tray here. And inside here, oh, we've got some goodies. So we've got cookies. So we've got Tate chocolate chip cookies. I've had these before. They're pretty good. So they're crispy. So they're pretty good. So yeah, I'll be enjoying those. We've got some more goodies in here. We've got some Black Forest organic gummy bears. So yeah, Black Forest organic gummy bears. Oh, that's cool. I like gummy bears. Do you like gummy bears? I do. We've got one more goodie in here. We have Archer 100% grass-fed beef mini, so little mini beef sticks. So yeah, original sea salt and pepper, 0 sugar beef sticks. So yeah, cool. I love a good beef stick. So yeah, beef sticks, awesome. And then also I see inside is the cord, I think, for the camera, a little USB cord for that to charge it, I assume. And I think that's pretty much it. Let me just make sure there's nothing else in here. There's another bottom of the tray. Oh, there's a little bit more in here. Oh, there's just let's see. Oh, it's the instruction guide for the camera. And then the little informational card talks about the camera. And the manual thing for the cooler as well, for Stanley coolers. So yeah, that's a nice little prize overall. But yeah, thanks to Choice Hotels for this Summer Detour Toolkit that I won from them. So thank you, Choice Hotels, and hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. And you never know what's going to come next, is what Tom's from I Win Contest always says. So we'll see what I win next. So anyways, thank you for watching, and hit that thumbs up button. I'm not sure where I'm going to post this. I might post this on Facebook. I might post it on YouTube as well. So take a look, and hope everyone has a good rest of your day. All right, thanks. Bye.